So over here, you can see that I am in the products management page right here in Strikingly, and you can see your products in a certain order right here. If you want to go ahead and change out that order, you can simply go to more actions right here, and then you can go to sort products. Once you do that, you can sort it by best selling or highest price and lowest price right here. So let's just go ahead and select highest price. Let's say for example, and I'm going to click on okay right here. So once you do that, what happens is that the highest price will appear on the top and the lowest on the bottom, as you can see right here. You can simply go around over here and then sort out the products right here by lowest price first as well, or created first or created last right here. So let's go for lowest price, let's say for example. And once you go ahead and do that, you can see that the lowest price displays out first. If I were to go to more action right here, what you can actually do now is you can even switch the type of the view. So you can see that right now I can see the thumbnail view right here. But if I were to switch to list view right here, this is what you have. As you can see, everything gets turned into list. If I were to switch to grid view again, then you'll be back to the grid view or the thumbnail view right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the store product views and sorting product option inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.